Today I'm going to teach you how to make Elementor images the same height. This is incredibly useful when you want to create a uniform professional look across your website, especially when displaying multiple images in a grid or row layout. Let's dive right in and get those images perfectly aligned. First, you'll need to go to your WordPress website's admin dashboard and log in. Make sure you have your credentials ready, as this is where all the magic happens behind the scenes of your website. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar WordPress interface with all your tools and options laid out before you. From the left menu, click on Pages and then select All Pages. This will display a list of all the pages you've created on your website. Scroll down through this list and look for the specific page where you want to edit the images to make them the same height. Once you've found it, click on Edit with Elementor. This will open up the Elementor page builder, which is where you'll be making all your adjustments. Give it a moment to load, as Elementor needs to prepare the visual editor and all your page elements. Now that you're in the Elementor editor, click on the container or section that holds your images until the Edit handle appears. This handle is your way of accessing the customization options for that specific element. You'll know you've selected the right element when you see the blue outline and editing options appear on the left side of your screen. For each image widget within that container, you'll need to go to the Style tab. This tab is where all the visual customization happens. Look for the height option and adjust it to your preferred size. For example, you can set a value like 300px. This ensures that the image maintains a consistent height regardless of its original dimensions. Setting a fixed height value is key to achieving that uniform look you're aiming for. Just repeat this step for the other images. Click on the next container or section that contains an image, then go to the Style tab again and look for the height option. Set the same value like 300px to match the previous image. This consistency across all your images will create a clean, organized appearance that looks polished and professional. Don't forget to save your work. Click the button beside the Publish button at the upper right of the page to save your draft. This ensures that all your changes are preserved, even if you're not ready to publish them live just yet. Saving regularly is always a good practice to avoid losing any of your hard work. And that's it. You've successfully made your Elementor images the same height, creating a much more cohesive and visually appealing design. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.